Discover what happens to your body when you drink apple cider vinegar at night. Apple cider vinegar is a powerful natural remedy for boosting overall health, especially when used correctly. Drinking just 2 tablespoons before bed can quickly stabilize your blood sugar levels, leading to higher energy levels the next day, better appetite control for dieting, and numerous other benefits. Tonight, we'll explore the key benefits of using this healing elixir before bed. Plus, I'll show you the right way to use it with the correct ingredients. A quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so consult your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Watch till the end to see how apple cider vinegar can transform your nightly routine. Apple cider vinegar containing acetic acid has been used for centuries, dating back to 5000 before Christ. This acid helps preserve foods and keep them fresh when pickling. Modern studies show that consuming apple cider vinegar with a meal or after eating can help regulate the glycemic response by stabilizing insulin levels and controlling blood sugar levels. Drinking just 2 tablespoons before bed with water is a great way to control blood sugar levels, improving sleep and the blood sugar profile for diabetics, prediabetics, and those who are overweight. If you feel a burning sensation in your chest or throat after eating, you may have acid reflux, where stomach acid flows back into your esophagus, causing irritation and pain. This occurs when the stomach becomes too alkaline, pH 7:1, causing the LES sphincter to remain open, allowing acid to reflux and burn the esophagus. Acetic acid in vinegar helps close the sphincter to prevent reflux at night. Additionally, it supports the release of digestive enzymes and bile, aiding in digestion and waste elimination. Try taking between 2 and 4 apple cider vinegar capsules before each meal, or drinking it in water for 1 or 2 weeks, and observe the improvement in your symptoms. Drinking apple cider vinegar allows your body to absorb acetic acid, converting it into ketones, acetone, and butyrate. Ketones serve as fuel for the mitochondria in your cells, particularly brain cells, providing a natural yet powerful energy boost. Unlike glucose, ketones from vinegar are more easily utilized by cells, causing less free radical damage. Instead of relying on caffeinated drinks like coffee or tea, try this for a noticeable increase in energy. Historically, Vermont farmers took apple cider vinegar with honey daily to maintain high energy levels during long shifts, even into old age. One major reason for hair loss with age is hormonal imbalances and digestive issues. By controlling blood sugars and aiding digestion of minerals like zinc, copper, and iodine, apple cider vinegar effectively enhances hair growth and reduces hair loss. It can also be diluted with water and used as a shampoo to eliminate harmful microbes causing dandruff, leaving hair shiny. By reducing the glycemic response to carbohydrates, apple cider vinegar promotes healthy weight loss. Drinking this before bed helps your body burn fat while you sleep. You'll also notice reduced appetite the next day, as acetic acid provides fuel to your cells. It also deepens autophagy, cellular cleaning, during sleep, making you more energy efficient. By reducing insulin resistance, this golden elixir has become a key to sustainable weight loss for millions worldwide, including myself. I prefer taking it in capsules, which I'll discuss further in the video. In ancient times, apple cider vinegar was used to preserve food by killing bacteria and preventing spoilage. It can also prevent pathogens and harmful microbes from invading your body and causing illness. With a pH between 2 and 3, apple cider vinegar is highly acidic, aiding in digestion and destroying pathogens in food. Additionally, the acidity stimulates white blood cells, enhancing their activity so your immune system can efficiently attack and destroy viruses, bacteria, parasites, and fungus. If you feel under the weather, drink apple cider vinegar twice daily to help combat the infection faster. As people age, especially over 50, stomach acids weaken, making protein digestion harder. Amino acids, the building blocks of protein, are essential for maintaining strength and preventing rapid body breakdown with age. Drinking this mixture before bed or a meal helps your digestive system absorb and utilize amino acids, keeping your muscles, teeth, bones, skin, hormones, and other proteins strong and functional. Additionally, drinking it before workouts stimulates human growth hormone for better muscle gains. If you suffer from inflammation, aches, pains, or arthritis, try 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1/4 tablespoon of organic turmeric powder in a glass of water before bed. This powerful natural pain relief remedy has been used for centuries and is highly effective. Apple cider vinegar helps your body absorb curcumin from turmeric, a compound proven in numerous studies to reduce inflammation throughout the body. Drinking this mixture also helps cleanse fatty deposits from your liver and boost glutathione, the master antioxidant, stripping away unwanted visceral body fat from around your organs. If your skin appears dull, unhealthy, or rough, this drink may improve it. Start consuming more foods rich in retinol, the active form of vitamin A, such as pasture-raised eggs, grass-fed beef liver, and oily fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel. Drinking just 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily will help your body absorb retinol from these foods, improving skin quality. Apple cider vinegar is also high in pectin, a polysaccharide that can enhance the health of the skin's natural barrier. Drinking 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar daily or in the evening provides ketones that help heal the tight junctions in your gut. This prevents toxins from leaking through your intestinal barrier, reducing inflammation and preventing autoimmune diseases like arthritis. Apple cider vinegar boosts the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, enhancing connections between brain cells, playing a key role in preventing depression and other mood disorders. Many central nervous system chemicals are made in the gut, so improving gut health can boost serotonin, GABA, dopamine, and acetylcholine, enhancing memory, concentration, calmness, focus, and the ability to learn new information. Mix 2 tablespoons of organic, unpasteurized, and undiluted apple cider vinegar in 16 ounces or a half of a liter of water and drink with a straw before bed. Alternatively, you can drink this before meals. You may also add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder to reduce pain and inflammation. Check the ingredients list to ensure your chosen brand has not been diluted with water, as this weakens its effects. I recommend drinking this with a straw. While the acid is good for your stomach, it can be too strong for your teeth. Alternatively, you can make a salad vinaigrette by mixing 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric. Use this dressing on your daily salad. You can also take concentrated apple cider vinegar capsules. Ideally, take 2 or 3 capsules before each meal. Ensure the brand you choose only contains apple cider vinegar without bulking agents. Alternatively, marinate meats with apple cider vinegar, chili, salt, pepper, rosemary, thyme, and other spices to incorporate apple cider vinegar into your diet and tenderize meat. If you suffer from indigestion and heartburn, drink this before a meal to aid digestion and food breakdown. Alternatively, try my ginger and lemon water remedy for similar health benefits. If you have experience of apple cider vinegar, you may write about it in the comments to help other viewers. Thank you for watching my video today. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. As always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.